Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Working through previous year's exam papers is an excellent way to revise and be thoroughly prepared for your ABRSM Music Theory exam. I've worked through every single question with you on every past exam paper in grades 1 to 5 from the years 2014 to 2018 to help you really get to grips with your knowledge of music theory. In this short video, you'll find links in the cards and in the description box to all 3 videos to work through each question of Grade 1, Paper B from the 2017 past exam paper. Grade 1 draws on all of the information found in the Music Theory in Practice workbook. If you click on the link to the playlist in the description box, you'll find videos where I work with you step by step through each question in the workbook. As an additional help, if you go to my website, you can download some free PDF information sheets to accompany each step in this series to help you. There's also a page on my website with all of my YouTube videos listed, and you can also find out about the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best be prepared for your exam, and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day. So if you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be really super, and please do subscribe to my channel and share out the videos. Enjoy your studies. See you next time. Bye.